My name is Hassaan Shaikh and I am a partner and founder at Print Make Trim. So Print Make Trim is Pakistan's most versatile print to product company. We just don't print, we do prints on demand, and we just don't do textiles. We can theoretically print on any surface that is flat, non-reflective and under 3.5 inches. That's why our motto is dream big, take the leap, create with PMT. Okay, so since the major segment that we cater to is textiles, I think that's what our conversation will revolve around. For textiles, it's not a very lengthy process. The design starts with the artwork. The artwork can be handmade or it can be made on a computer, usually through Photoshop or Illustrator. After that, we convert the file into the language that our machines use. So usually what we offer is sublimation printing, but that's not what we're restricted to. PMT will offer you any and every print solution on fabrics, and majorly we're offering polyester fabrics at the moment. So our process is simple. You make the design, you convert it into the machine's language, the machine prints it out on a piece of paper, and that paper is actually a special paper, and we use special ink that reacts to heat. So you put the paper on the fabric, it goes through a very unique roller that operates on high heat on approximately 200 plus degrees. The ink transfers onto the fabric and the fabric is ready. So that piece of fabric that comes out, it's completely ready to be stitched and it's completely ready to be worn. That fabric has a strength, a color strength that you will keep washing it and it won't go away. So all our inks that we use at PMT, they are OECO-Tech certified. It's an international certification that ensures that the inks are skin friendly and ozone friendly. They're not hazardous at all. They are made through eco-friendly and sustainable technique. Our inks do not damage the ozone layer. Our inks do not produce any hazardous chemicals when they are manufactured, and they are skin friendly as well. So you won't face any allergies through the printing processes that we have. At Print Make Trim, we also have some eco-friendly values. A majority chunk of our electricity is generated through solar panels, and we have a zero waste policy. So any fabric that's left over, doesn't matter if it's rejected, doesn't matter if it's a cut piece, we ensure that it does not go to waste. We try to upcycle it, we try to reuse it, we try to cut it and make the most minute uses. We just don't want them to go towards landfills. Any and every use is great for us as long as it's not a landfill. After that, we recycle or upcycle each and everything, regardless of it being printing paper, scrap paper, fabric. We try to avoid landfills as much as possible. Even if we have cut pieces or reject prints, we try to upcycle them, we try to reuse them. Doesn't matter even if it has an additional cost for the company. We still bear that cost and we try to make sure that these things are used as efficiently as possible. And if we talk about processes apart from sublimation, we also offer rotary prints, screen prints, flatbed prints. These are known as conventional processes, whereas the processes that we offer on the other end are known as digital processes.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई तो अभी सब्सक्राइब करें।
Okay, so for smaller quantities, what we quote is 5 to 7 working days. It doesn't matter if it's 1 meter. Print Make Trim is the only production house and the only textile house in all of Pakistan that has no minimum order quantity. So we are willing to print just 1 meter for you as well. The process takes 5 to 7 days, considering that the design is ready for print. If you don't have a ready design and you want us to make it for you, then say maybe 3 to 4 days extra for the design, but it actually depends on how intricate or how easy the design is. The most common in say the past 2 years has been fashion brands, but there is also a segment that comes to us for events. So last year during the wedding season, we introduced a new trend for customized shawls. So if you're getting married or someone close to you is getting married, you can select a ready design from us. Just tell us their name or their wedding hashtag, which was in trend for a few years in between. We're going to customize it for you, print it for you, stitch it for you, and we're going to send you a ready product. So that was a very big hit for us because we worked on saving consumer time. You don't need to make a design, just pick a design. We have them ready. You don't need to pick a fabric. We know what fabric to offer you. You need to do 2 things. Pick the design, tell us the hashtag, name of the bride and the groom. Secondly, pay us. That's all. Everything else is our headache. So I think currently in stock, if I'm not wrong, we have more than 75 fabrics available in-house. These fabrics are segregated by fashion, home, upholstery. And if we just speak about fashion, the first segregation is between winter and summer. And then the second segregation is between whether it's used for cord sets, whether it's used for some fancy items. Is it a shirting fabric? Is it a dupatta fabric? If it's a dupatta fabric, is it just a simple dupatta fabric, or is it something that's a little towards the side of semi-formal or formal? We've just started our line of ready designs that's print on demand. So you select a design from us, you order it off our Instagram or our website, and we've kept the measurement open. So you don't really need to order just a two-piece. If you're a plus size or if you're an undersize, don't go on our measurement. Give us your measurement. So maybe a normal piece is for 4 meters, a normal two-piece. But for someone who's maybe a little thinner than the usual fit, she needs 3 meters. She should not have to pay for that extra half meter. Our fabrics right now are starting from, say, maybe 800 rupees a meter for fabric plus print. These are our ready designs. If you want to get a customized quote, you can just drop us a message. Usually customized fabrics are maybe a couple of hundred more per meter, because we're going to invest our time and our energy to make sure you have the best and most vibrant print possible.